Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life. Welcome to the channel, most importantly.
Poke it, pop it, fold it, stretch it, squish it, squeeze it.
So this is where we make our spoon today.
Poke it, crunch. Poke it, Sloomoo. Poke it, crunch. Poke it, Sloomoo. Sizzle, drizzle, block, crunch, stretch it, squish it, squeeze it, poke it, sizzle.
2, 3. Nice. 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! That's awesome, right?
So fun.
What do we got here, dude?
Obstacle course.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. There's a bunch of things going on. Oh, look at this. Are you up for the challenge?
Yeah.
Poke it, crunch, poke it, Sloomoo. Poke it, crunch, poke it, Sloomoo.
First question. Main ingredient in slime. Yeah, you're right. It's glue. Elmer's glue, baby. Alright, question 2. What's the second ingredient in slime? Do you know that one? Yeah, some smarty pants in the building. Next question. Are you allowed to eat the slime? No, it doesn't even taste good. Trust me, I appreciate it. And what's your favorite color? Yeah, what's your favorite color? Yeah. Excellent. Are you ready to get slime? Yeah, I'm ready to slime you. All right. We got some audience participation coming up. When I say slime, y'all say time, okay? Simple enough? All right, good. Slime.
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 Time.
Slime. It's slime. Beautiful. Mr. President, weather person, I think this forecast calls for extra slow. Yeah, that's what we like to see. Excellent. Y'all are naturals. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Felt like I was on Nickelodeon, that show where they get slime.
Yeah, back in the day, right?
It's so much fun.
Stretch it, squish it, squeeze it, poke it, pop it, fold it, sizzle, crunch, whop. Poke it, crunch, poke it, Sloomoo. Poke it, crunch, poke it, Sloomoo. Poke it.
All right, so we got a behind-the-scenes tour.
Just like you guys probably have in school, we use Elmer's school glue for the majority of our base ingredients here. This is actually Elmer's light changing glue, so it changes color when you put UV light on it. So it goes from blue to purple, so you could like write your name on it. So he made these completely from scratch using air-dried clay.
We got the behind-the-scenes of the dispenser right here. That's how it works.
This is kind of the 2.0 Sloomoo Falls.
Xanthan gum is a vegan alternative to flour.
Nice.
My man.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Spencer. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
Behind the
Thanks for
scenes tour
joining
of this.
us.
Yeah. All right, exit, you got the gift store.
sizzle, drizzle.
Take your slime, actually slime with you.
Stretch it, squish it, squeeze it, Sloomoo, sizzle, drizzle, thwack, poke it, stretch it, squish it, squeeze it.
Well, there you folks have it, Sloomoo Institute in Chicago, Illinois. Now, if you guys have any questions about this place, be sure to put it in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.